I just got my iFixit toolkit on Friday and I really like it. iFixit did a really good job on this toolkit and it will help me in my computer and cell phone repair training. I'm really pleased with this product. I will be waiting for their next toolkit upgrade. Very good product, powerful. I've had this for little over a year now, and have got more than my money's worth from it, and it's still going strong, no issues. I mostly deal in console repairs and cleaning, and with that I've come across multiple security screws and other types of special heads that require something different. The kit has never failed me in getting past any of them. Along with that, every tool and bit head found in the case is made of an extremely good quality that has lasted through the times when I was being less than kind to them. I have no experience in iFixit's customer service, as I've never needed. But everything else has been up to gold standard. Easily would recommend to friends that are in need of something like this. Short and sweet, this kit is amazing. I've had an older iFixit toolkit for the past 4 years or so, last 2 images for comparison, and thought it was time for an upgrade. It was a great kit, and though there are other options that are cheaper than this newer iFixit kit, they are about on the level as the kit I had from 2013. The level of detail in this new kit is outstanding. So many things went into designing this kit that make the user end experience so nice. First of all, the magnetic tips are actually magnetic. I've used plenty of other kits that claim they have magnetic tips and they either lose their magnetism far too quickly or it is so weak that they can't even hold the screw while you insert it. When you open the kit up, the bit compartment is held in place by magnet, a lovely feature that also doubles as a little magnetic placemat for your screws. The lid for the bit compartment is also held on by for smaller magnets. It is just a pleasure to use and very intuitive. It was definitely designed by someone who actually works in this field. There are more inexpensive options on the market, and if you are just putting in a SSD or something, that might be a better option for you, but if you work on electronics regularly or at any kind of professional level, this is the kit you will want. For reference, I am an IT professional and work on the weekends doing jobs fixing electronics in my local area. Electronic tools are smaller, actually, way smaller than the tools laying around your garage. So if you are attempting to fix anything electronic, this is the kit that you will ever need. Comes with a 64-bit driver, jimmy, tweezer and suction handle for that screen replacement job. I would highly, not once but twice, you have this kit stashed in your electronic drawer cabinet. I work at a college technology center and all of our IT techs use these tools. I liked my coworkers' set so much that I had to get my own for personal use. These are hands down the best tools for electronic and computer repair. The lid on the toolbox serves as a hardware screw organizer, and under the box is a magnetic pad that can be removed and also used to sort out tiny screws from a phone breakdown. Nice spudgers and pry tools too. Very convenient for lifting ribbon cables on iPhones. The Jimmy is flexible but sturdy and great for lifting the chassis on laptops. The bits fit screws very precisely, even the pentagon. The type of steel these are made of feel very hard to strip out. These tools are worth every cent. I'd emphatically recommend. I teach A+, Network+, MD100 and Server 410 classes, and I found myself asking my co-worker to borrow her iFixit kit all the time cause my kit was always missing some oddball tip that the hard drive anti-tamper screws needed. This is the absolute best value and quality kit you can get. You can organize your screws as you disassemble a device, and that alone is a lifesaver with small devices that have hundreds of different types of screws. Since this is by iFixit, you also have access to the vast library of how to fix device. It's worth every penny. As a person who loves putting things together and taking things apart, the iFixit ProTech Toolkit is a must-have. With the 64 screw bits ranging from the classic Phillips head to the useful to have bits such as the SIM ejector and magnetic pickup tool, the ProTech Toolkit will be ready to take on any projects. Along with the bits, the different selection of spudgers and opening tools make prying open tightly sealed much easier. Before I had this toolkit, I would usually use a flathead screwdriver, which had the risk of damaging the electronic device. However, with the toolkit, tools such as the opening tool and opening pick makes getting into my rather expensive devices much stress-free. The kit also includes 3 types of tweezers, an anti-static wrist wrap, and an suction handle. While I was initially torn on getting the ProTech Toolkit or the Manta Driver Kit 114-piece bit kit, but if you are not fixing really rare electronics or working with numerous types of screws, I vow the 64 bits will be more than enough for most people, and the other tools are a must-have when working on any device or project. I highly recommend this product for anyone looking for a comprehensive toolkit for electronics. This is absolutely a fantastic kit. I would recommend this kit to beginners and professionals. "100% love it. Wouldn't give it back for 3x the price lol. 2 small improvements. 1. A small magnet inside the lathe. You have it sectioned off already. I did it to mine and it fits with 0 issues. 2. A magnet in the top and on the inside of the first flap to hold the lathe for you, so it's not just sitting off to the side. You want it close for the new magnets inside the lathe. Smiley face. I made these small mods to mine, but would be a nice small touch for comfort. I've already told everyone I know and strangers to buy this lol. One of the best pro tools which all pro technicians needed. I used this one for year. This is my second times which I'm buying this product for my iFixit. Thanks. Great product, saves me time by having all the small tools inside and all the driver tips in one place. Love the tweezers and pick tools. Also, only thing that would make it better is a pair of clippers to cut zip ties and glue strands when you have to gun something off. Packaging quality, 3/5 tool quality, 4. 5/5 tool variety, 5/5 case quality, 2/5 overall. The kit is great for what it was designed to do, which is to give you just about everything you'd need to get in and work on laptops, cell phones, and other electronic devices. Click link in description for more reviews.